Combining the stability and durability of a table saw with the versatile cut shaping of a jigsaw, the bandsaw could easily become your next favorite workshop tool. Equally well suited for cutting through wood or metal, there are even specialized bandsaws made for meat cutting. There are many products available to choose best bandsaw, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Grizzly G0555 Bandsaw. There are two major schools of thought for using bandsaws. The first asserts that a bandsaw is a more specialized form of a scroll saw and should be used for precise curved and detailed work. The second sees a bandsaw as a tool with amazing versatility that can be used for jobs usually left to table saws. With a tool as powerful as the Grizzly G0555, it's obvious that seeing a table saw as a suitable replacement for a table saw is completely realistic. The full 1 horsepower motor is just as robust as many table saws, allowing it to cut through lumber and hardwoods with ease. Overall, the Grizzly G0555 is an extremely capable bandsaw that can cut boards to size just as easily as it creates detailed curves. It's on the upper end of pricing for a budget bandsaw, but well worth the investment given how many other saws it can replace. Number 2. WEN3962 Bandsaw. As we conducted our reviews, it was a close race between the WEN3962 and the Grizzly for our coveted one pick. While the WEN is somewhat smaller and less powerful than the Grizzly, it's also available at a fraction of the cost and comes with a wide range of accessories to make your woodworking easier and more enjoyable. In the end, what makes the WEN3962 our runner-up rather than the top pick is its smaller maximum cutting capacity. With 4 inches less clearance at the throat, it's much more suitable for small to medium-sized jobs. In every other regard, this table saw is top of the line. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for anyone whose woodworking projects rarely proceed into the territory of larger furniture. Number 3. DEWALT 10-amp Portable Bandsaw. For anyone with a project that requires cutting a lot of metal or pipe, this portable DEWALT bandsaw makes a great option. Instead of tiring out with a hacksaw or rattling fillings loose with a sawzall, this model makes quick, smooth cuts in a range of materials. And, with the corded 10-amp motor, users need not worry about batteries dying mid-cut. This bandsaw cuts at varying speeds between 100 and 350 SFPM, which allows the user to adjust for metal, wood, or other materials on the fly. It can handle up to a 5-inch cut, which works well for most job sites and workshop projects. An onboard LED makes a nice visibility bonus for safer work conditions. Just don't judge this saw by how the included, low-quality blade cuts. Simply upgrade to a higher quality blade to realize this saw's true potential. Number 4. POWERTEC BS 900 9-inch Benchtop Bandsaw. For those shopping for a bandsaw to tackle DIY woodworking projects, take a look at the POWERTEC BS 900. Its 1/2 horsepower 2.5 amp motor produces 1,725 RPM and spins a 62-inch blade. It has a 9-inch throat capacity and handles inch, 1/4 inch, and inch wide blades, which are great for light-duty projects. A quick-release blade change lever allows for faster swaps. An aluminum die-cast saw table that measures 11 3/4 inches long and wide provides ample space for scroll work and milling. The table tilts up to 45 degrees, where it can cut through materials up to 2 inches thick. It comes with a 2-inch dust collection port. Do note that this saw runs at only 1 speed, though it should serve well for most materials. Number 5. JET 14-inch Deluxe Pro Bandsaw Kit. Whether for a pro or a DIYer who just loves pro-level tools, JET's JWBS 14DX Pro 14-inch Deluxe Pro Bandsaw Kit makes a great choice. At a hefty weight above 200 pounds, this cast-iron, floor-standing bandsaw provides plenty of stability. Its 1/4 horsepower motor powers a 105-inch blade and produces speeds of up to 300 surface feet per minute. JET's Pro bandsaw has a 14-inch throat with a resaw capability of up to 12 inches. A 15-inch by 15-inch worktable allows for tackling some burly chunks of wood. The table tilts 10 degrees left and 45 degrees to the right, so users can find the perfect angle for their cuts. The retractable blade guard adjusts from 0 to 12 inches. A see-through window allows for keeping an eye on the blade's position. All that said, these pro features come at a pretty hefty price.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.